What are you looking for, Elsie? What is it? So good. That's what I wanted.